So I'll be showing you how to install Samsung Notes on your Galaxy S23. Now for most people, this app will come pre-installed on your phone, but for some reason I don't have it on my phone. Now if you're like me and your phone does not come with Samsung Notes, no matter where you look for it, then you can install it. And to install this app, you'll need to go to the Galaxy Store. So tap on the Galaxy Store icon. And if you don't have the Galaxy Store, or if you can't find it, simply search Store. And you should find the option for Galaxy Store. This one comes pre-installed on the Galaxy phone. Now, what you need to do is simply search for the Samsung Notes app. Just type Notes or Samsung Notes, and this is the app you're looking for. Okay. And you can see clearly at the bottom there, it says this one is by Samsung Electronics Co. Limited. So that's how you know you're installing the real deal. So go ahead and tap on install. You might get suggestions for other things to install. You can ignore those or go ahead if you want to. And all you need to do now is wait for the installation process to complete. With the installation complete, you can now tap on open to launch Samsung Notes. Okay. And that's basically how to install Samsung Notes in case it's missing on your Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.